Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm colouring up this image by Jade Summer from their newest book. Let's pop in and have a look at a speed colouring and flip through. Thanks for joining me, guys. So this colouring book that we're going to be colouring out of today is the Jade Summer Dark Fantasy colouring book. Now, we actually had recently our June group challenge was updated and we've got a new one, so we had to use all of these particular colours in the picture that I'm doing now. So that was just me choosing on my colours. If you'd like to see a full video where you can get more detail on what I've actually done in this one and how I've done the dark skin and things like that, please have a look at Patreon because I've done a full video there for you. So I'm using Copic markers and I'm also using Nina Classic Crest 80-pound solar white paper, and I've just printed that one on my printer as it's roughly A5 size, so it's fairly small. It's a half of a normal printer page size. So guys, I'm just going to let you guys watch the speed colouring. Hang around to the end because we do have a flip through of this beautiful book. I actually really like this one. I think it's actually one of my favourites that they've brought out more recently, so I think that I'm going to do a couple of images from this one. It's really nice and there's lots of different sort of types of images through there. So they've actually brought out 3 new books fairly recently, so I'm going to try to get a couple of pictures done for those so that I can do a flip through of those as well for you. So I'm going to leave you guys to this speed colouring and I will catch up with you in the flip through part. So guys, I'm just finishing up the image now for you. I hope you enjoyed that one. As I said before, if you want to see the full video, pop over to Patreon and have a look. I'll put the links in the description below. So we're going to do a flip through of Dark Fantasy now by Jade Summer. So I really liked this book. It's got some really interesting characters in it. I really like the style of the images in it and I'm really impressed with how it ended up coming out. So sit back and relax and have a watch of this flip through of the book. So guys, I hope you like that one. It is a little bit different to some of the others that we've seen. I'm really impressed with it, and I love the detail, and some of the images are a little bit darker than we have seen in the previous books, but I really like them. They're tasteful and they're not too full on and they're not too raunchy, which is a good thing too. But I hope you enjoy it, and it is available on Amazon, so I'll pop all of the links down in the description below. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Vero, and also check out my Patreon page as well. Thanks again guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.